Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cognism export to HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have an active Cognism account and access to your HubSpot account. Log into your Cognism account using your credentials. Navigate to the export section of the Cognism dashboard. Locate the contacts or lists you want to export to HubSpot. Select the contacts by checking the boxes next to them. Click on the Export button, usually found at the top of the page. A pop-up window will appear. Choose HubSpot as your export destination. You may need to connect your HubSpot account if prompted. Follow the prompts to authenticate and allow Cognism to access your HubSpot account. Once connected, select the appropriate fields to map your Cognism data to HubSpot. Review the mapping to ensure all necessary fields align correctly. Click the Export button to begin the transfer process. A confirmation message will indicate that your data is being exported. You can check the status of your export in the Export History section of Cognism. After a short while, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section in HubSpot to verify the imported data. Ensure that all expected contacts appear as planned. If you encounter any issues, consult the help documentation provided by Cognism or HubSpot. This concludes the process of registering with Cognism and exporting data to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.